Hello, welcome to my channel. I am your trader next door Abhilash, and in this video I'll be analyzing the chart of GBP USD British Pound USD for 23rd March 2021. So this analysis is for 23rd March only. You will be seeing me tomorrow again with the analysis for 24th March. So please do subscribe to my YouTube channel for regular market analysis, and do check out the Forex analysis playlist for the analysis of other currency pairs. And as you can see on the screen, my 5 days workshop is coming up on 2nd April. Though I have started this channel recently, many have approached and shown their interest in learning. Therefore, if you want to learn chart patterns, indicators, support resistance, market psychology, how market works, and how the tug of war between the buyers and seller goes on, okay, then you can also sign up for the workshop in my website. The link is in the description. So let's jump to the screen. Okay, so we can see that right now the current market price is 1.3865, and if you have watched my videos, then hopefully you have grabbed GBP USD now and you're in a profit right now. Okay, because I have been telling to grab GBP USD in this zone and in this zone. Okay, so let me take out the pencil. So what was the strategy? See, GBP USD is in a range right now. Okay, so I was telling that if you see some good reversal pattern, okay, in the form of price rejection from below, bullish engulfing pattern, then you can grab it here and see. Sorry. Okay, and see what we got here. We got price rejection from below, and hopefully, if you have already bought it and you're in a profit right now, and if you have not, then you can also purchase here right now, but see, your stop loss will be somewhere around here below this line. Okay, this may be a too much of a gap, and if you feel that this gap is too much for you, okay, then you will have to wait again because the opportunity is gone. Okay, so what you can do is that, see, simple, wait for the market to come down either to this level or this level. This is a range bound market. Okay, either it will go up or go down. Okay, so let's wait for the market. Okay, if you're looking for a fresh window, okay, if it comes down, then observe the price. If you see that yes, the support is still valid, market is about to bounce back, okay, then wait for the confirmation. Your confirmation can be in the form of a hammer, price rejection from below like this, like this candle, or a bullish engulfing pattern like this, or a marubozu like this. Okay, once you get the confirmation, you can buy. Okay, once you can buy right here, and in case it goes up, okay, in case it goes up and hits the resistance, okay, then you just observe the market, the price. If you see that the price is struggling near the resistance, okay, then it will be clear to us that yes, sellers are still present in the market who are not allowing the market to go up. Okay, in that case, okay, there may be a struggle and you may see some price rejection from above like this. If you see a price rejection from above, then it will be clear to us that yes, we can short the market again, and that will be the confirmation that yes, it's time to short the market and make some money. And you can easily short the market just below this line. Okay, this is this resistance 1.4000, and this is the support 1.3810. You can short the market below this line. In case it crosses this resistance, then that's a different thing. Wait for 3-4 hours, try to understand the market psychology. If you see that after 3-4 hours, yes, market is trading comfortably, this time above the resistance, then it will be clear to us that yes, resistance has become the support now, and you can go for a buy above the resistance. Okay, but confirmation is important. Okay, so this is the simple analysis, and hopefully you are in a profit right now if you have watched my videos. And so this is it. Thank you so much. See you tomorrow then with the analysis for 24th March. Thank you so much, and please do not forget to subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. Bye bye. All the best.